It's like a big tree.
Here, you can take a picture.
Right? So today is, well, this week is Earth Week, so let's go on a nature walk. There's so much nature! It's a modern park. What?
Roundhouse Park.
Chicka 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 chicka. Woo woo woo! Do you get electrocuted if you step on these? Imagine.
That's stupid.
Why is it stupid? So pretty.
Okay.
Trees are so pretty.
Like
Come on, walk it out!
What? Yeah.
Can you walk on this? Yvette, walk on it and tell me if there's dog shit. Because I'm not getting my shoes dirty. Is there any dog shit?
I think there is. Look. Where are you going, though?
There's smoke coming from somewhere.
Yeah, let's go there.
Okay.
Is that like a bonfire? Nature. This carpet of the world. Pictures of nature.
Picture within a picture within a picture.
Oh, it's like Inception.
Come on.
She's clearly having fun. I don't get it. Why is there like one cow foot and then 2 human feet?
Man and animal.
Bro, look.
No, isn't it like a centaur?
No, man and animal together.
Wouldn't that be a
one.
centaur? Half man, half horse?
They don't have feet.
How do you know? What's that? Who that? Ew.
Aren't they cold?
I know. Birds be cry.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Catwalk of nature.
Now pose.
You have to walk with your vagina out.
Oh my god. The vagina walk.
Over there.
That cloud looks like Josh Hutcherson. It's totally gonna land on the water.
It's not.
Totes.
It just landed on the water.
So pretty.
It's like they're going in a circle.
It's gonna land on the water. Oh my god!
She loved nature.
Holy shit, that's a lot of birds.
I have my camera.
Where are you going? Oh shit, they're coming back. It's Earth Day, aka Earth Appreciation Day. Thank you, tree. Oh. Thank you.